Now we will check how to buy USDC, and so you could do this only after verifying your account. So these steps are only after verifying your Coinbase. Once you are logged into your Coinbase account in the application or on your PC, you can search in USDC. And if you have already linked your bank account, then you can enter your purchase amount. If you didn't, then you can link to it. You could also link to many other payment methods depending on your location. And you could just enter your amount and you could place your order. So 1 USDC is equal to 1 USD. So that's basically how you are placing the order, or you can say that's how you are purchasing the USDC. Can we buy any crypto directly? Yes, we can also buy any crypto directly. To do that, we will first go to Coinbase. And then we will search for the crypto that we want to purchase. We can select that crypto. Then we will be directly clicking on buy. You can select your cryptocurrency and available chains. And then you basically purchase with any payment method that you have already linked. And that's how it's super easy to purchase crypto directly with your payment methods. If you haven't joined our YouTube community yet, I request you to join to support us. You can go to our YouTube channel and click on the join button and choose any tiers and join in. You will also get quite a lot of benefits from it. Firstly, you will get the access of the badges and custom emojis. You get highlighted on all comments, posts, and live chats. There are posts and polls for members only. And you also get special early access to all videos prior to others. There's also a specific tab only for community members. Not only that, there's a huge lot of other benefits that you will get, showing you some of them as per tiers. So we request you to please join our YouTube community and support us to help us create more good contents for you. And at the last, we would like to thank you for your support. Hey, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed yet. And please leave any comment below if you still have any questions or any suggestions on the videos or improvements that we can make. And share it with your friends, and hope we meet again soon on the next video. Till then, bye.